Hi, I'm Mike from TechWithMike.com. Firstly, I would like to thank you for your interest in the show. I also want to take this time to tell you that this show is all about helping you with your everyday technology needs. So please send in your show topic suggestions to techwithmike@gmail.com or go to the techwithmike.com website, select the contact menu, and click on Show Topic Suggestion. This will let us know what you want to see on the show. If you find today's video or future videos of value, please consider showing your support and become a Patreon subscriber. You can do this at patreon.com/techwithmike. Here you can get exclusive content in addition to regular videos. Today's video, I'll be showing you some tips on using the Chrome browser on your computer. Let's go. So, the first tip I want to show you in the Chrome browser is the ability to pin your tabs. So you have at the top, you have all your different tabs that you might be browsing for. And you have a few favorites that you don't necessarily want to put in your favorites or in a shortcut, but you want it to always come up whenever you open up the browser. So here I have the techwithmike.com site, and if I right click on the tab and select pin, notice how it shrinks down to a smaller tab. So if I'm in another tab and I open up the browser, this tab should automatically show up. So you click on that and the website is there. So you could possibly do that with several tabs. As you add them, they show up on the left. And then you notice, it's not a long name, but you should be able to determine what you were looking at either by hovering over or just by the icon. A lot of websites have their, they call a favicon that shows up in the browser tab. And say you have a bunch of tabs open up throughout your day of working. You have 3 tabs here. Well, I'm just going to drag that one over here. We have these 2 tabs that you have to work in, but all the other ones are something you don't need anymore. You don't need to have opened. Well, all you need to do is click on the tab to the left of what you want to get rid of. In other words, if you right click on the tab, the last tab you want to keep open, you can say close tabs to the right. And that closes all those extra tabs that you do not need. You want to keep just this tab, and you don't want to have to close everything and say this one's over in the middle of all your tabs. You can right click and say close other tabs. And it just closes all the other tabs. Say you want to open up 2 tabs with the same website. If you right click on the website in question, you can say duplicate. And that just creates another tab with the same exact website. You also have other options when you right click on a tab. You can say new tab to right. That just creates a new tab to the right of where you were. Another cool thing, say you have a bunch of tabs open. One of the websites you're visiting is playing sound for whatever reason, a video or whatever. And you just want to quickly just mute that sound from that specific tab. All you have to do is right click on the tab and say mute site. And when you do that, if you have duplicate tabs open, it will mute both of them. And to unmute again, you just go to unmute site. I wanted to add that other browsers like Firefox, Microsoft Edge have similar features. So if you use another browser, look for these types of features if they interest you.